Okay, I'm just going to try this hack that I saw on the internet because I've got a gap in my trainers. So I think I'm going to do this. So this is my first time doing this. It seems pretty easy enough. Let's try it. These are, I think, some special, these are my ASICs. It's a special edition that I got for my gel Kayanos. Let's just put that in there. Snip that off later, as long as I can soak up the, actually, if I, oops. Can I pull it out? I just want to add a bit more here. Maybe a bit more. Okay. Now we've got to soak that with, I can take that out later, soak that with Superglue, which I've got here, 2 grams. So hope this doesn't spill everywhere. Okay, push that in, just quickly do that up, undo the cap. Let's start here first. Oh no, that's it. That absorbs in there. I'll just go. Okay, we'll leave that. Let's just leave that to dry off. This, I'll remove that in a minute. Remove it. Well, I won't touch it yet, otherwise I'll be pulling this. Let's just leave it for a while. And come back in a minute. There's Fee. I've just fed her, so she's just resting as usual.
A few moments later.
Okay, so this is about after 5 or 6 minutes and it seems to have hardened. That's good. I'll just cut off some of this extra. I'll have to tidy it up later. I'll tidy it up later, but I just want to show that it has worked. So it's pretty good. It's stuck quite hard. So that's a nice hack. So if you compare it with these other ones, which I'm going to do later as well, so these have also got a big gap here, so I'm going to do the same. So that's a good hack.